See, I still have to just put the underskirt under it.
That is so cute.
And the purple wings arrived today.
The what did?
The purple wings.
Oh, she's gonna love it.
Well,
Mom, it's so pretty.
Fortunately for Shelby and her sister and Isla, they probably won't want three at the same time.
Do you think she'll share with her new cousin?
I think she froze, honey.
Do you think she will?
With her new little cousin?
What? What?
I'm pregnant.
I love you. Good job, Destiny.
That's what everybody says.
No. Oh my God. Oh my.
I wish I could see Dad's face.
How long are you?
Oh, I'm not even 5 weeks yet. I just found out on Saturday.
Oh, baby.
I'm really scared.
Of course you're scared. When do you get to see your doctor?
Well, I called them and they said I couldn't see her till December, and I said, well, that's not okay. You need to have her call me. And I haven't heard from her yet.
Okay.
So. Can you believe it?
Your daddy's not going to be okay for a while.